So here I have about 1/4 cup of corn flour. To this I'm going to add some salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. We're going to mix all of these ingredients well together. And then I'm just going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of water just to make a nice thick slurry. So mix it up well. Now we are going to take about 250 grams of paneer and empty it into a large bowl. This is homemade paneer, so I'll leave a link of how I make my paneer at home in the description box as well as the comments box. I've just cut them up into even sized cubes. Now we're going to pour this slurry all over the paneer. Mix it up well, ensuring that all of the paneer pieces are coated well. And then we're going to keep this aside to marinate for at least 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, we're just going to heat up some oil for deep frying the paneer cubes. And we're going to put in the paneer pieces and fry them till they're nice and golden brown in color. So we're going to keep our gas flame between low and medium and don't overcrowd the pan. And once they're fried, we're just going to drain off the excess oil on a kitchen napkin or a kitchen towel. Now it's time to prepare some gravy for this paneer chili, which is also very easy and very simple with ingredients that we always have in our kitchen or our kitchen pantry. So now I'm using the same oil that I used for deep frying, but I'm using just about 2 tablespoons of it. I'm going to add 3 light green slit chillies to the oil because we want to flavor the oil well with the chili. Now we're going to add some chopped up garlic as well as ginger, which is very finely chopped. So I've taken about 10 cloves of garlic and an inch of ginger. We're going to fry the ginger garlic very well till the garlic starts turning a little light brown in color. Now next we're going to add some cubed up green bell pepper or capsicum. So I've just cut them up into even sized cubes, medium sized, and we are going to fry them for a little while in the oil. Now we are going to add 1 medium sized onion also, which I have cubed into medium sized pieces. And we are going to fry all of this for a minute or so till the onions become translucent. Now we want a gravy, so we are going to add about 1 cup of water. And we're going to mix everything well and let the water come to a light, gentle boil on a low to medium heat. Now this paneer chili goes really well with some fried rice. So I am going to put the links to my fried rice recipes down in the description box as well as the comments box. Now here again I've prepared a small slurry using 1 tablespoon of corn flour with 1/4 cup of water and mixing it very well and adding it to our gravy because this helps to thicken up the gravy and we're looking for a nice thick paneer chili gravy. Now it's time to add some sauces which will really flavor this paneer chili. We're going to start by adding 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and we're going to mix that soya sauce in well. It gives a lovely flavor as well as a lovely color to this paneer chili dish. Next, we're going to add some red chili sauce, about 1 tablespoon again, and we're going to mix it well with the gravy. Now this dish has a sweet, sour, tangy, spicy, lovely flavor. So now I'm just going to be adding about 3/4 tablespoon of tomato ketchup or tomato sauce. This adds a nice, gentle, sweet flavor to this dish. Now mix everything well together. And then we just have about 2 ingredients more to go, and then our dish is all ready. This dish gets ready really, really quickly. Once you have all your ingredients chopped and ready, it just gets ready in few minutes. Now I'm just going to flavor this with some pepper powder, about 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and some salt. And again, we're going to mix everything well together. Now it's time to add our we're going to add some vinegar first. So I've added about half a tablespoon of vinegar. And again, we're going to mix everything well together. And now it's time to add our paneer, which we have fried. So they're really nice and crispy. Now, one tip I'd like to give you here is you can fry the paneer and keep it aside and make the gravy. And just when you're ready to serve, that's the time when you can heat up the gravy and then add the fried paneer to it. Let it cook for a minute or so till everything gets well integrated together. And there, friends, you have this delicious paneer chili, which gets ready in no time and is so very delicious to eat.